Greetings, Gil Skillz fans. I'm a fan. I'm a big fan for micro scrapping.
Why, that's right, fan. And you no longer work, so guess what? That makes you the next contestant on Scrapping is Right. Let's go.
Oh no!
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Gil Skillz. My name is Bob. Today, we're going to be micro scrapping just a typical fan, desktop fan, table fan, whatever you want to call it. Either way, it's a fan, and it rotates back and forth when it works. The motor died in it, so we're going to take it apart and see what's in it for scrap. So I'm going to begin by taking this piece off here. There's these little clips that just kind of come out. So all this is metal. There's this one plastic piece in here that's held in by screws. This could go in the shred pile or the light iron pile as is, but I am particularly mindful of extra plastics and stuff like that when I go to the scrapyard, and I've developed a bit of a reputation for that. So if it can come off easily, I'm going to take the time to do so. So that little bit of plastic. Now we've got all metal here. So we're going to loosen this up here. This tap just kind of comes right off, as does, if I can get it off. There we go. As does the blades. And, you know, if you really wanted to make a project, I'm sure you could use that for something with a working motor, but it's just plastic to me. I'm going to go ahead and throw it out. From here, we've got another thing that we're going to loosen to get the back panel off. You like my terminology? All right. So this is just another piece of plastic that's going to get thrown away. There's no metal to it. But this is the second half of the metal frame. So that can go in light iron or shred. So anywhere where there's a screw, we're going to go ahead and continue to disassemble. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I know I am. More plastic. We'll just chuck that. And as you can see, there's a pretty decent sized motor in there that no longer works. That's why we are taking this apart. So there was a screw in the back that held it in place. Yeah. More plastic. Looks like there's some aluminum components in here too, which is really nice. This is all cast aluminum here. And then of course you got your transformer in the middle. I'm going to try to take that apart. All right, so this piece right here is cast aluminum. Perfect. Now, if you guys haven't done so already, please feel free to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Hit that little bell as well, so you know when I'm going to live stream, as well as create my next video. cast aluminum. Yay! And this here is ferrous, but this isn't, so I might have to yank that out of there. All right, so I put it in a vise, tried to get it out. The aluminum's kind of brittle, so the ferrous piece came out, but it broke the aluminum a little bit, so it's kind of like an aluminum breakage type deal. I'm still going to put this in with the light iron. This is all ferrous material as well. Put that right in with the steel, the ferrous stuff. Get some plastic here, throw that away. Got 2 more screws. And I didn't cut the cord in the very beginning because I knew there was more cord in here. All right, so all that's plastic that gets thrown away. Oh, that's ferrous. Ferrous, it's all ferrous. But it looks like there's some copper or brass contacts down here. So I'll actually separate that out a little later. So at the bottom of that, there's brass in these plugs. I got a whole bunch of them. I might do another video on it. All right, guys, there's really not a whole lot that's left in terms of scrappable material here. We've got some screws and we've got some ferrous material here. We've got our aluminum, our cast aluminum that came with it. We've got the power wire that I will strip a little later on down the road. We've got some brass or copper contacts here. These here are steel, but these here are brass or copper that I'll remove at a later time for the switches. Get a nice, decent sized transformer, and that copper is easily accessible if you wanted to remove it. The plug for the brass. And then, of course, the blade guards, which are all metal. So there's really not a whole lot with a fan. And if you get a whole bunch of them, I suppose it will add up over the course of time. That's it. So, if you guys like what you see, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated for my channel. And until the next time, haha, have a scrap happy day.
If you want to learn to micro scrap, forget all the other YouTube crap. In his vehicle that he fills with all of the e-waste thrills, he has energy but he takes no pills. Shows you how you can pay your bills. So much scrap, it's like scrap hills. It's Gil Skillz.